Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very pleased to welcome you here today. My name is Niels Sundberg, and I'm the chairman of the Junkers. I'm also very pleased, together with you, to view the rollout and delivery of the JS1 Super Glider. Thank you for being here this afternoon and joining the group and the company for this great day and celebration.